Hi there, Ana Paula Hurtado here. In this video, I'm gonna cover important data source settings in the Power Query Editor. Stay tuned. A critical concept is coming at you about data source settings. When you connect to a file located on your computer or on OneDrive, Power BI will take a snapshot of the exact file path. Then, if you rename the folder or move the file to a new location, you are breaking the file path because the new file path won't automatically update in Power BI. The good news is that it is a straightforward fix. All you need to do is follow three simple steps. In the query editor, go to Data Source Settings to change the source, browse to the revised version of the file and update. Let me show you what I mean. We are in Power BI Desktop in the model view. Let's go to the Power Query Editor. As you can see, all my tables look good and everything is running smoothly. But what happens if I rename the file name from the source location? Like this. Let's put at the end of the file name, for example, version 2. Then back in the query editor, here in the home ribbon, refresh. And as you can see, I got this error that says could not find the file. So the issue goes back to the first step, which is the source. Let's fix the error. Are you ready? Here we go. In the home ribbon, do you see this option, Data Source Settings? I will click here. So next, you need to identify the table that has the issue. In this case, is the region lookup. So I'm gonna select this and change source. And here you have two options. Either you can update the name directly here, like type in exact name version 2, or you can browse to the new location and select to update the file. So we're gonna close, refresh again, and we are back to normal. Pretty simple, right? Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, comments, you know what to do. Please post them in the comments below. Also, click on the big thumbs up. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next following videos.